That never gets old. Hey guys, just received this in the mail from American Muscle. It's the JLT 3.0 catch can for the Mustang. Probably gonna do a brief install on this. Go ahead and show you guys how to install it. Still waiting for the Gt X pipe to come in the mail. It should be here by Friday. Get an installation on that as well. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and install the 3.0 oil separator from JLT. What you're gonna need is a 10mm socket, a deep socket for both sides, and then the engine cover just comes right up. I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Once that's done, you can see that's where the hose needs to be disconnected. Both gray clips, go ahead and remove those so you can put in your oil separator. I'll go ahead and do that as well right now. That was not too bad. Once you push on the gray clips, it just comes right off. Let's put the oil separator on. Here it is. I had to adjust the hose just a little bit to match the factory hose, but so far it's a great fit. I'm gonna go ahead and put the engine cover right back on, and it should be perfect. Got the engine cover back on. I like the fitting. Holds pretty well, pretty sturdy. I recommend when you're doing this install just to take your time. I'll be getting the Gt X pipe in soon, hopefully by Friday. I'll go ahead and take that to a muffler shop, get that installed, show you guys how it sounds. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time.